What is up, guys? Alex here, or you may know me better as Kosei. Today I'm going to be going to another car meet out here. Going to be working with a little bit more POV shooting. So this is the day after the supercar meet with Rimac Navera and the Senna, where the Hamilton collection was. So we're going to be just going here. It's supposed to be JDM and Beamers, so that's what it was called. So I'm going to be looking for maybe some interesting stuff, but yeah, I'm just gonna be doing the POV with the phone thing. I haven't worked on that video yet or any of the pictures, so we're just gonna see how that goes, but let's get straight to it. All right, let's hope POV thing's working. Oh, that's why it's not showing me anything. My lens cap on still. I was confused. A really nice day out too, especially with all the... So, thank you. I didn't realize that there was someone there. Oh my god. Still kind of a bit awkward feeling, kind of walking around here and talking to myself. Get a wide one. Possibly. It's cool. Should look okay. Hoping that my mic is connected to my phone here, because as I realized I was setting up the stuff for the previous video that I didn't really think about it until I was done recording. The process of realigning clips, especially when you can't see my lips moving. So this thing's nice. It's a beautiful color. Backside facing message. Oh, nice. This really nice. So is this. So like that thing. I've seen this MK4. step back over here and try to get this shot over this guy's infinity. Silica enough is convinced me the audio cut out, and that's because my lav mic was not fully connected to my phone the whole entire time. I don't know if there's even any noticeable difference, but you can kind of hear the immediate change right away. That's just bad prep on my end, but I just wanted to point that out. Convinced me to go through with yanking out the gimbal for a little bit.